Right, okay, this is a very quick video that shows you some of the ways that you can make a fidget spinner. Okay, so what I'm doing, you can see here I've got the Tinkercad work plane. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just make a very simple one. So I've dragged the cube onto the work plane, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this, I've measured the bearing that I'm using, it's about 7mm, so I'm going to make that 8mm high. And what I'm going to do is I've measured the sort of space that we need, how long it needs to be able to spin, and that's about 90mm long, and it needs to be about 30mm wide. Okay, so this is the quickest one to do. So I'm just going to put that in the centre. So I've got my sort of cuboid shape there. What I can do, if I go over to the radius here, I can sort of make it a bit more interesting. Okay, so I could make it like that. So at its simplest level, that's what I need. Okay, I could make a sort of a fidget spinner just like that. I need to put a hole for the bearing. Now the bearings we're using, the outer dimension is 22mm. Now we are going to need to add a little bit onto that just because of the slight differences when we print. So I've printed out some test pieces, and you'll need to decide which printer you're printing on and which sort of dimensions you're going to need to use. So basically I'm going to take this as 22, and on my printer here I can go to 22.2. So I'm going to just adjust both of those 22.2. Yours might be 22.3, 22.4. We'll have to see what it does on the enders that we got in school. So what I can now do is I can now select all of these, and I'm going to use the align key over here. All right. Now I'm just going to move it into the center and to the center, and you can see there I've got a very simple fidget spinner. And now select those and group them over here, and you can see I have a very simple fidget spinner, super quick to make. Okay, in my next video I'll show you how to make a tri spinner, so with three arms, and I'll show you that next. Okay, thank you.